Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Quiz. So let's start our current affairs of July 23rd, 2021. The first question is, which of the following state has decided to provide 1% reservation to transgender? And the options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Haryana, C. Delhi, and D. Karnataka. And the correct answer is D. Karnataka. Karnataka state government has decided to provide 1% reservation to transgender in government jobs to be filled through the direct recruitment process. And the second question is, which of the following sport was approved as an additional sport for 2026 Milan Cortina Winter Games? And the options are A. Skating, B. Sky mountaineering, C. Swimming, and D. Both A and C. And the correct answer is B. Sky mountaineering. 5 medal events for this category will be held at the 2026 Games. And the third question is, which of the following organization has released a song called Colorful to celebrate Tokyo 2020? And the options are A. Pepsi, B. Geo7, C. Coca-Cola, and D. Mango Music. And the correct answer is C. Coca-Cola. It is released by Universal Music Japan, brings together 14 athletes from around the world. And the fourth question is, which of the following city has been confirmed as host of 2032 Olympic and Paralympic Games? The options are A. Brisbane, B. Australian City, C. Melbourne, and D. Delhi. And the correct answer is A. Brisbane. There were 72 votes for Brisbane's bid, 3 abstentions. 2032 Olympic Games with proposed dates of 23rd July to 8th August, third Australian city to get the games after Melbourne in 1956 and Sydney in 2000. And the fifth question is, Ariel Henry has been appointed new Prime Minister of which of the following country? And the options are A. Peru, B. Haiti, C. Brazil, and D. Tajikistan. And the correct answer is B. Haiti. Ariel Henry has been appointed as new Prime Minister of Haiti. And the sixth question is, which of the following organization will build the India's first green hydrogen plant at its Madura refinery? And the options are A. NTPC, B. ONGC, C. IOC, and D. HPCL. And the correct answer is C. IOC. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, founded in 1959 and headquartered in New Delhi. The current chairman of Indian Oil Corporation Limited is S.M. Vaidya. And Indian Oil organization will build India's first green hydrogen plant at its Madura refinery. And the seventh question is, which of the following organizations to build 6 submarines for 50,000 crores? And the options are A. L&T, B. Mazagon Dockyards Limited, C. Goa Dockyards Limited, and D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is both A and B. Under Project 75, India will build 6 conventional diesel electric submarines. And the eighth question is, which of the following organization has made a short journey to space in the first crewed flight of his rocket ship New Shepard? And the options are A. Blue Origin, B. Galactic, C. Both A and B, and D. SpaceX. And the correct answer is A. Blue Origin. Blue Origin has made a short journey to space in the first crewed flight of his rocket ship New Shepard. Billionaire Jeff Bezos has made a short journey to space along with his family. And the ninth question is, ADB has projected India's economic growth forecast at what percent in financial year 2022? The options are A. 11%, B. 10%, C. 9.8%, and D. 12%. And the correct answer is B. 10%. Asian Development Bank, founded in 1966 and headquartered in Manila, Philippines. And the 10th question is, who among the following has won the Sparkassen Trophy? And the options are A. Vishwanathan Anand, B. Vladimir Kranjcik, C. Pentala Harikrishna, and D. Koneru Hampi. And the correct answer is A. Vishwanathan Anand. And the 11th question is, Hockey India launched player-oriented web-based platform named A. India Hockey Connect, B. Crick Guru, C. Heroes Connect, and D. Hockey Connect. And the correct answer is C. Players who have played for India can register their profiles on the platform. Hockey India was established on 20th May 2009 and headquartered in New Delhi. And the 12th question is, who among the following has been elected as IOC Vice President, which means International Olympic Committee Vice President? And the options are A. Thomas Bach, B. Nicole, C. Ban Ki-moon, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Nicole Hoywards. Nicole Hoywards has been elected as International Olympic Committee Vice President, which is founded in 1894 and headquartered in Lausanne. The current president of International Olympic Committee is Thomas Bach from Germany. And the one-liners are B.S. Prashan appointed as the next High Commissioner of India to Tanzania. Mia Bai Tanishq becomes a style partner for Indian women athletes. Olympic motto was updated to faster, higher, stronger together. Citius Altius Fortius Communiter is the Latin version of the new motto. Since 1894, the Olympic motto has been faster, higher, stronger. Ban Ki-moon, re-elected chairman of the IOC Ethics Commission. He served as Secretary General of the UN from 2007 to 2016. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.